Welcome to our Supercar factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how the world's fastest and most exclusive cars are built.
The monocoque structure provides exceptional strength while maintaining ultra-low weight, a hallmark of advanced engineering.
Every supercar engine is hand-assembled and performance-tested for extreme power and reliability. Every supercar is tested, tuned, and perfected before delivery.
And that's how supercars are built, engineered for speed, precision, and perfection.
This is the future of performance. The VO3 combines aerospace-grade carbon fiber with unmatched precision, crafting not just a car, but a statement.